The ECJ is the Supreme Court of the Euro. The lawyers for the Italian Roman Pisotto, who became the first person to be extradited on cartel charges, had said Germany should compensate him for breaching his EU rights. He claimed he should be treated as a German citizen, which would have granted him rights protecting him from extradition to another country. Although he tried to block his extradition after his arrest, the High Regional Court in Frankfurt granted the U.S.'s extradition request. The court said that Germany was right to extradite the Italian. He claimed he should be treated as a German citizen, which would have granted him rights protecting him from extradition to another country. Berlin's regional court had asked for clarification on whether the extradition had breached the EU's stance on anti-discrimination and free movement. The Italian's lawyers later claimed Germany should compensate Mr. Pisotti because he should have been treated like a German. Germany's basic law states no German may be extradited to a foreign country. Another member of the same cartel, who was a German citizen, avoided extradition by staying in his hometown of Hannover-Schmundern. Mr. Pisotti was arrested in 2013 at Frankfurt Airport when he was on a stopover on a flight between Nigeria and Italy on an arrest warrant by a court in Florida. He was extradited to the U.S. in April 2014 and released a year later. Mr. Pisotti was a former executive of the company Parker ITRSRL, and he was charged with participating in a conspiracy to suppress and eliminate competition by rigging bids, fixing prices and allocating market shares. He was accused of carving out market shares for the sale of marine hoses between 1999 and 2006. The German government granted extradition after Frankfurt's High Regional Court ruled that the U.S. request for extradition should be granted. The U.S. Department of Justice Deputy Assistant Attorney General Brent Snyder said that Mr. Pisotti's extradition shows there are fewer and fewer safe havens for cartel violators to avoid U.S. prosecution. Mr. Snyder said, he should not blame the U.S. for enforcing its laws or seeking his lawful extradition. Our actions are the result of his choices. In 2016, the ECJ ruled that German authorities should not extradite suspected criminals to other countries if their fundamental rights are put in jeopardy in the country they are going to.